Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and yeah, I just decided to make a new video. I'm here in my living room watching TV. Yeah. Oh, my dog. Have I showed you guys my dog? Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys my dog. Hey doggy. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Sickies. Ha ha. Look. Guys, it's really windy outside. If you guys can tell, it's like windy. Well, to me. Actually, I'm gonna go outside. Yeah. It's so hard to open. Look, it's kind of windy. I don't know why, but I'm just saying. It's kind of windy, anyways. Oh, my camera! Anyway, alright. My God, it's windy, but alright, guys, I'm gonna wrap up the video. Okay, I'm gonna wrap up the video there, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave like and a comment, subscribe down below, and peace out, guys.